Hey, hello everyone. Welcome back to Mac Helper. Today we are going to see the top 5 free applications for entrepreneurs and freelancers. Basically, for everyone who needs to focus on their goals and needs to clarity into their personal and professional life. So, without wasting any more time, let's start with our first app. Simple Mind. The name of this application perfectly goes with its functionality and its purpose. Simple Mind brings clarity into your mind, and yes, I really mean that. Have you ever faced the frustrated situations? You are confused with so many things to look after, and you don't know where to start. If yes, Simple Mind is the application where you need to start. It basically works as an empty canvas, and you just have to throw all your thoughts, ideas, and clutters onto it. And once all this clutter is on your canvas, you will be able to control it the way you want, and it just works perfectly. The interface is simple, and that's why it works with your mind. All you have to do to create a tab and subtabs as per hierarchy of work or project. Link tabs to each other to create relation or assign tasks, the way Sherlock Holmes does on his dashboard to solve his thrilling cases. This app is free. However, they have paid version as well, and it opens a lot more options than just a brainstorming. The next on our list is Kronos Time Tracker. I have already listed this application into my other videos as most essential app for Mac users. No matter what you do, you should have this app. Kronos is a time tracker. It basically tracks where you spend your time on your Mac. The moment you open your Mac, it follows you. It shows which website you have visited, which software you're using, and how much time you spent on a particular website or software. The interface is beautiful. The graphical representation and pie chart helps you to understand, or rather makes you feel guilty very quickly with your time wasting habits. It shows you daily, weekly reports, and it stores the data for months. So even if you don't use it daily, but someday when you are frustrated with your performance, you can check where you have been spending your time for months. And you may realize this all is happening because you're distracted and you're watching too much porn. The next is Be Focus. Yes, right, it helps you to focus on particular task which you are doing on your Mac. Suppose you are preparing a proposal for a client or writing a novel or making a PowerPoint presentation and you suddenly remember you have to mail someone. What you do? You just keep your important work on a side and open your mailbox. And you know what happens when you open your mailbox? Rather than just writing a mail and go back to your important work, you will start reading all the mails you have received. And hola, all your important work will remain there as it is. So this is where this app helps you to not get distracted. All you have to do, click on the icon on a status bar and choose the project you're working on and press start. By default, it has 30 minutes timer. When you press start, you actually commit yourself for 30 minutes to a particular task. And even if you suddenly remember important mail to do, you will realize you are in the middle of something which needs to get done in next 30 minutes. With this app, you will finish more tasks and remain productive in a day. Number 4. This app is well known to almost everyone, but still this app has such qualities that deserves the place in this list. If you're already using this app, you know the quality it has. But for those who are not aware of this application is simply a storehouse of your digital documentation. This app allows you to write in it, attach any photos in it, allows to store PDFs in it, But for creative people, they can store their thoughts and ideas, which usually pops up when you are least expecting them. The mobile app helps to store quickly your ideas and thoughts. And as this app is available for all platforms on Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, and even on BlackBerry 10 devices, so you can access it anywhere and anytime. One more thing I need to mention, this easy access icon in the status bar, which allows you to capture anything from your computer. Suppose you find some inspirational quote, just take a screenshot and it's available for all your devices. Evernote Clipper for web browser is one more super advantage you will get. You can save article, full web page, or even save web page as a PDF from your web browser only. There are plenty of other features are there for this app, which you will find on their website or simply explore by installing it. Next app is again well-known one, available for all devices, platforms like Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS. Wunderlist is the task management program, but this is something of a next level. I had tried so many applications in the past to track my tasks, but nothing was as impressive as this. I even tried Apple's own Remember app, Google Keep, and many more, but eventually found Wunderlist as the best of all. Basically, you can create a list. Into that list, you can create tasks, and in that task, you can create subtasks. And multiple lists of same projects can be stored in one folder. So it is very easy to categorize your tasks and projects. And yes, don't just take it as a personal task manager. They have taken it to the next level. You can use it as a project managing app where you can assign particular tasks to different person. Multiple people can manage these tasks collaboratively. People can comment and add notes to report the progress on each individual task. This small app is definitely powerful. These are the top 5 apps for entrepreneurs and freelancers. All of the above apps can be downloaded from your Apple Store. One friendly advice, never download any application from third party websites. And yes, don't forget you are using the best and most interactive computer out there. Enjoy your time with your Mac. I hope you found this video helpful. See you soon.